Hi guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick walk around on the new Haval Jolion Petrol vehicle. This particular vehicle is available in New Zealand right-hand drive, but it should be available in other overseas market as well. Alright, this is the new one, and this is the old one. In today's video, we're only looking at the basic premium spec in New Zealand market. This is considered to be a basic trim. In terms of dimension and in terms of powertrain, there's no change between the pre-facelift and the facelift version. The majority of the features come from the exterior design. First thing, look at the new grille. The new one has a black grille instead of a silver finish grille, and this grille just goes straight lines down there. It felt a bit more aggressive, a bit more sporty overall, where this is the old grille. It's more like a cross lines with the silver trim over here. That's how it looks like. The Haval logo still remain the same, there's no difference on that. Another small thing, the front headlights design are a little bit different. You can see this is more like a matte silver finish cover, where this is a glossy chrome cover over here. If you're looking for the higher spec, the LED lights are also a little bit different. Underneath, we have the new spoiler at the front. They are glossy black finish over here. Where on the new one, they used to be chrome finish underneath. Again, that makes the new one looks a little bit more modernized, a little bit more aggressive overall in terms of looking. On the side, we have a wheel arch padding on the new one now. So they are plastic material, of course, where on the old one, they're all body panel. There's no plastic padding. It makes the SUV looks a little bit more rugged. You can see the contrast between the white and black paint, which is actually very traditional. And this is the side view for the new Haval Jolion Petrol. Another small little detail is the windmill cover. They're all black painted color now instead of body color paint. Additionally, we have the black roof rails on the top, where the old one used to be silver roof rails, just like that. Next is the rear look. The tail lights, the main tail lights looks identical from the last one. The difference are the spoiler. This has a more tilted spoiler and they are black painted on top. Plus, there's actually gap in between on each side. Where on the old one, they're just sitting flush against the roof. And there's absolutely no gap. Just like that. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment. Other couple things are the letters. On the new one, we're now having GWM and Jolion. That's it for the petrol edition. Where on the old one, we used to have Haval on the top, GWM on the right, and the Jolion on the left. A little bit more simpler on the new one. Last thing will be the underneath cover. This has a lot more chromes going underneath, where this one just a small chrome on the side, and it's all black panels underneath in the center. In the boot, we have exactly the same dimension compared to the last generation, more than 350 liters of boot space, very useful storage space. Underneath, space saver, just like what you used to be. And all the Haval Jolion will only come with manual tailgate. On the second row, still very spacious. This is the base model named the Premium in New Zealand, so just fabric seats with the blue stitchings. They look identical to the last generation. There's absolutely no change. Opening the front, that's the same thing as the last generation goes. Dashboard, steering, controls, all the same. Only small minor difference I found on this particular new Jolion, they're now telescope steering. So the steering control can go up and down, forward and backwards, 4 ways, where on the old one, they're just 2 ways, up and down. That's it. So small little details happening in the front, but the driving, the safety features, they are all identical. And what do you think? Do you like the new one or the old one? Let me know in the comments. If you're looking to purchase one of these in Auckland, New Zealand, why not contact us at Ebbett, Pukekohe. We are the authorized dealer for Haval, GWM, Tank, and all the other vehicles you can imagine under the GWM group. And that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the contents. If you do not forget to subscribe and like. That would be really helpful. I will see you in the next video.